Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scott here, Bean Creek Woodworks, and today we're in my office. A little something I wanted to talk about today. Everybody, all the creators on YouTube are all complaining about one thing, and I may have a fix for it. I know what I use, and what I use works, so we're going to talk about that today. Let's get into it. Alright, so the problem is a lot of creators this time of year, it's Michigan here and it's about 20 degrees outside, and the problem we're having is our cameras, the batteries go poop in them really fast. So same with middle of summer when it's 100 degrees out, the cameras just don't hold up, and well, the cameras hold up, the batteries don't hold up. So I wanted to show you what my setup consists of and what I'm having pretty good luck with, and that is right here. These external batteries. If you've seen me walking around down to Bunyan last year, Paul Bunyan show, I had this setup with me, and I filmed all day long. You know, it was hot down there. Didn't have any problem with batteries at all. Same when it's cold outside. I don't have a problem with batteries at all. One of these will run you all day long. It runs me all day long. I can film for probably 6 hours on it. So I love it. And my camera turned on. Anyhow, I'll show you. We can focus. It's a Suptig. Suptig is what it is. They're available on Amazon. Like everything else, it's available on Amazon. And all it is an external battery. It plugs right in. You running them. I have a GoPro. This is my GoPro 9. I'm recording on my GoPro 13, which has the same setup. You just plug it in the back. You got to have the mic mod on your GoPro. You have the mic mod. It plugs into the center outlet and has the little blue indicators on it right there. Let you know it's on and let you know how much charge you got. And what else can I say about it? Down below, I have down below you plug your external mic in. You already know that. So on like the one I'm recording on right now, it has my external mic plugged in, and it has the battery plugged in, and I could sit here and just talk to you guys for hours on that same battery. So it's really worked well for me. I set this one up with my magnet mount to show you how much room we're taking up. I have a yardstick here. Overall, we're about just not quite, well, about 6 1/4 tall with that setup right there. So, and same as the one I'm on. You're just sitting on a tripod right now, so that's how that works. But this one here, you can move around. I got a short cord on it. I think the battery does come with a cord, if I'm not mistaken. And it is waterproof. It has the dealy-doos on there you can put to make it waterproof. But you know, of course, if you're running a mic mod on your GoPro, you're not going to worry about water anyway. So, but yeah, I've used these. Been using these for three years now, and I've ruined one battery. I had one battery got really hot in my GoPro, and I think that's mostly because this shut off. You have to check this once in a while, make sure it's still on. But I think this shut off and my battery got hot and it stuck in there. I had to take pliers and pull that battery out to get rid of it. But yeah, like I say, hot, cold, it don't matter. It works. I like it. These guys do not sponsor me. Absolutely not a sponsored video. Just something that I've had great luck with, and I thought, well, I'm gonna let some of these other creators let them know about it, you know. So Amazon, I think they're like $40, so cheap, reliable, easy to use. When I get done recording over there, I have just a regular standard outlet, you know, and plug it in there, charge them up, charge the battery in, charge the battery in the GoPro, charge the battery in this, and I'm ready to go again. So, like I say, this is my GoPro 9 it works on, and I'm recording on my GoPro 13. I think it is adaptable with all the GoPros, and I'm pretty sure the DJI, the action cameras, I'm pretty sure, you know, they're about the same as a GoPro anyway, so I'm pretty sure you can check it out on the Amazon there. It tells you what all it works with. So, but yeah, I wanted to let you guys know about this. I thought this was something worth mentioning. It's a nice little setup. Like I say, you're on the tripod right there, so you get your action shots and get your still shots. And this camera here I haven't really used in quite a few years. You can see I lost my little fuzzy thing off the mic, but it's probably laying around here someplace. But this camera I think we're going to put back into use in 2026 once we get back outside, start shooting some good action video on the sawmill and on the log splitter and on whatever else we get into. I'm going to try to start running 2 cameras, and I got a whole new editing program I got to learn. So, but that's another video. So anyhow, Septig external extra battery. Look it up on Amazon. I think it's going to be a good battery for you. It works excellent for me. I like to say I can record all day long on a stupid, just on this by itself, without having to change batteries every 15 minutes, half an hour. That is crap. I don't like doing it, so get you one of these. And oh, by the way, did you know they're not making yardsticks any longer? Anyhow, guys, I guess that's gonna do it. Just a nice little short video for you. Pick you up one, give it a try. Is all I can say. I love mine, and I'll be at Bunyan this year, walking around with my little setup again. So, hope to see everybody there with one. So, like I say, they don't sponsor me. They don't know me from Adam, so I don't really care. But it's a good product, and I've had great luck with it. So, give it a try. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. I appreciate you, and stay warm.